Hey guys, Spencer here with AttractionSpot. I'm on HangTime right now. We're about to go up this vertical lift here, 150 feet. It's pretty wild. It's at night. The lighting package is on. Super stoked. I've ridden this already, but the lighting package wasn't working right with the chasing, so this is going to be a cool another experience for me. And we're climbing this 150-foot hill here on this vertical lift. We're going to be going 96 degrees on an overdrop, and we're going to be hanging here for a little bit. There's 5 inversions going 57 miles an hour. This is going to be crazy, and we're hanging here right now over the top here looking down. This is insane. And here we go. Hands up. Woo! All right. Non-inverted loop. I don't know what this loop is called or this inversion, but it's crazy. Another inversion. All right. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! Took our photo there, and that was the end of the ride. If you guys haven't checked this out already, come do so as it's now open. If you didn't do it for annual pass holder previews, then you missed out. Come check it out, it's now open. And to ride this thing here at Knott's Berry Farm, it is incredible. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like this video if you love roller coasters. Check me out on other social medias, and also check out my new website. It's pretty cool. I'm going to be having more merch and everything on there. And yeah, this is insane. Hang time here at Knott's Berry Farm. I'll see you guys later.